How to add multiple videos on TikTok. So all you have to do is to go to your TikTok application directly, and of course it will lead you to your home page. Now all you have to do is to create a content and add your videos. So on the bottom part you'll see 5 different icons there. You'll see home, shop, the plus icon, inbox, and profile. Tap on the plus icon there. Here it will lead you to your camera section, as you can see here. Now the next thing that you want to do is on the bottom part you will see effects and upload there. Tap on upload. Now you here you will see different tabs there. You will see all videos, photos, and live photos. So what you want to do is to tap on videos there, and you will see all the videos there. Now on the bottom left part you will see select multiple. Tap on that, make sure that you have actually turned that on, or tap on, and now it has a check sign. Now if it has a check sign, you will now be able to add videos, multiple videos. Tap on next here and just select, and then as you can see, you have now added multiple videos on TikTok. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.